Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool 3-slot payphone and bell box, and this is Walt's equipment from PA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool equipment. The 3-slot payphone and bell box are in very good condition for their age. We want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done, and we're going to start out with the bell box. We will be installing a dual modular port inside the bell box. We also want to troubleshoot the solenoids for the bells and make any adjustments that we need to and finish up the bell box circuitry. And the dual port will allow you to bring in any length line cord, any color that you choose. That makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. And the second line port will be used to run a line cord up to the payphone, and this will be installed in a payphone booth. And the 3-slot payphone, we will be troubleshooting the transmit, the receive, the handset cord, the hook switch. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We will also be installing a modular line port at the back of this payphone. We also need to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We want to make sure that all the coins are falling through the coin validator and into the cash box area. We will be going through the entire bell box and payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool equipment, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to run some change through this unit. So we'll go ahead and start with a quarter, and that will gong one time. We want to use a dime. That will ring the bell 2 times. We'll use a nickel. That will ring the bell 1 time. We'll do another quarter. Another dime. And one last nickel. Now what we can do is check our coin box. We'll go ahead and remove our vault door, set that to the side. We'll remove our cash box, open our door, Walt is getting rich with bubblegum money. We'll set that to the side. Now that the cash box has been removed from the payphone, we want to show how the cash box works. And so what we want to do is take a look at this piece of linkage. It's supposed to move forward, and that enables the trapdoor to open and the coins to fall through. But since the cash box has been removed from the payphone, we need to reset the latch. So we want to go ahead and turn the latch clockwise about a quarter of a turn. That allows our linkage to move and the trapdoor to open when you're putting the cash box back into the unit. Now when you remove the cash box, that linkage will shut the trapdoor and you can no longer access the cash box. And if you have a little lock or a seal on the front of the cash box, you could not enter the cash box, and that's how they kept the drivers on the route or the cash collectors or coin collectors out of the cash box. Now we want to return the cash box into the payphone. So we'll go ahead and open our door. We'll set our latch quarter of a turn clockwise, and we'll go ahead and install our cash box back into the payphone, and we can put our vault door back on, and we're ready to accept coins. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool 3-slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. I also want to mention that we have the bell with the cover off on the top of the analyzer so that you can see the clapper movement on a ring cycle. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle to the bell, so we'll go ahead and start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that the bell box is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. and we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Wednesday, November 27th. The current time, 8:39 p.m. and the temperature, 39 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool 3-slot payphone and bell box has been repaired and converted, we can return this equipment to Walt and he can enjoy this payphone and bell box. He's going to install this equipment into a telephone booth, and I'm sure that's going to look great. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.